This is Dylan Chang with progress on Sprint 5. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to figure out the problems that I was having with splitting on the centipede, but I was able to almost fully implement the flea and the scorpion. The scorpion spawns at a random position, either left or right side, and chooses a position vertically, and moves to the opposite side. On its way, it will, once it contacts a mushroom, it'll turn into a poison mushroom. The poison mushrooms automatically update their sprite, but they do not have functionality with the centipede yet. In addition, when you hit the scorpion with a bullet, it'll cause an explosion. Fleas will move from their top. They'll choose a random position from the top and move down. When you shoot the flea, it'll move faster. When you shoot the flea twice, it'll die and create an explosion. The flea has a 1 in 10 chance of creating a mushroom as it moves to the grid positions down. So onto the code. The scorpion chooses a random position. It moves left or right and makes the mushrooms poison on collision. The mushrooms just have a simple class or a function in here just to make them switch sprite and make them poison. Fleas choose a random position and are taking the timer functionality from the centipede to decide when it moves to a next grid space if it should lay down a mushroom or not. And it has a simple damage function where it keeps track if it should be going faster, or if it should die. Scorpions, fleas, and explosions all have their own factories. Here's the explosion. Very simple. Just updates its animation and then goes away. Here. You didn't make a comment on my singleton last sprint, so here's the bullet factory, which I made into a singleton, hopefully, perfectly. So if it isn't a singleton, then comment on that. And yep.